Jesus Freak here. And what do you do when your Windows 10 installation hoses itself from a bum update so bad that nothing will fix it? You reinstall. And when I reinstall the operating system, that usually means the latest version of Debian stable. Now, the reason I didn't do this before, where I usually do this as soon as I get a computer secondhand, is because I've heard that Lenovo computers can be really finicky about Linux, with the sole exception of ThinkPads, and this isn't a ThinkPad. But I'm just going to let this go and see how it works out. It can't possibly be worse than having a completely hosed computer. As for my health situation, yesterday morning I went to the store. As soon as they opened, I went down to Family Dollar, grabbed some cough drops and some Dayquil. And honestly, I'm already feeling better. So it'll probably just take a couple days and I'll be fine. Jesus Freak out.